Ready? Start reading. First page.
Loud reading I have to do.
Yes, loud reading.
The thief story. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hack. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a lean, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simply enough for my purpose. I hadn't
Hmm.
had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get it through into the young man's confidence. You look a bit of Bristol yourself, I said. A little flattery help in making friends. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly. I thought Bristol a bit
Modestly. Modestly.
modestly. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. I thought that over for a minute, perhaps I had misjudged my man. I said, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. Lied again. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jamun sweet house shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But
Okay,
the
now
meat
wait. So we are talking about whom? So
a
there was a young boy who becomes friends with Anil, and Anil trusts him completely and employs him. मतलब उसको job दे देता है. He employs him. So this is a story about a guy. I was still a thief. So I is referring to,
I that thief.
Thief,
sorry?
thief.
Yes, thief. I was still a thief, but who is I being referred to?
Hari Singh.
Hari Singh. Yes.
But that was not his official name, no?
Yeah, but here the narrator, I. Okay, so I was still a thief when I met Anil, and Anil thought only Anil, though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. I was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. So there is this guy who approached him. He approached Anil, and he was about 25, and he was a tall, lean fellow. Okay, and he
So that
looked
person's name was Anil.
Anil. Yes.
Who is a friend with that Hari Singh.
I think it's just the introduction. There are two people right now. One is Hari Singh and one is the narrator. Sorry, one is the narrator and one is Anil. So narrator goes to Anil. Okay. And Anil was a lean and tall fellow. He was easygoing, kind and simple enough. Mother, he was a very simple man. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into young man's confidence. Getting into someone's confidence मतलब कि मैं उसकी नजरों में आ जाऊं या फिर I get noticed by that person. For example, if I say I have full confidence in you both. Okay. So he wanted to gain that confidence because he had a plan going on in his mind. Stop me wherever you get confused. Okay. Chapter is easy, but you might get confused somewhere. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Underline this line. These were the tactics that this person used to follow. So he says that, little flattery is very important because it helps you to make friends.
Flattery means?
Flattery मतलब मक्खन लगाना, buttering. So you do, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly. मतलब in a very refined way. बहुत तरीके से उसने बोला, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? He said, Hari Singh, I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of police and former employers.
Ma'am, so
Please
here that Anil is saying to the narrator that what's your name?
read last 3 paragraphs starting from Hari Singh to I can't pay you, and then Pari will explain me the last 3 paragraphs quickly. Just give me a second.
Hari Singh, I lied.
Yes, Pari Palak. Pari, please
Yes.
explain starting from Hari Singh.
So when Anil asked that what is your name, Hari Singh replied that and basically he lied to him, and he said because every month he changed his name to escape from the police and other formal employees. And after the introduction, Anil gave
Former employees means all the other employers who had given him job before.
So after this introduction and all that, so Anil talked about the well-oiled whistlers who were lifting and throwing each other about. And he said that I didn't have anything to say. And Anil walked away, and I casually followed him. And he said hello again. I gave him my most appealing smile. Hari Singh gave him his most appealing smile
Why do you think so?
because he wanted to get
Just a minute. Yes.
I guess like for flattering him that he could provide himself with some job.
Yes.
And here that blunt,
What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean by flattering?
flattering means buttering.
मतलब किसी की तारीफ करना. Yes.
Either well-oiled wrestlers who have grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. So what's this about? Like
Where?
well-oiled wrestlers who have grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about.
After this introduction, Anil talked about well-oiled wrestlers. He was just picking up topics like wrestlers who used to grunt, lift, and throw each other all about. Basically, he was telling na ki I also do a little bit of wrestling. That's why he was just talking about the topic so as to make him believe that he actually did that. Otherwise, he was just a story maker, nothing else.
Okay.
I followed casually. Anil walked away and he started following Anil. And this time he made a story that he was Hari Singh. He had no original name. He used to change his name so as to escape from police.
Ma'am,
Hello again.
his occupation was not mentioned, no?
No. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile again to flatter him. I want to work with you, I said, but I can't pay you. Last dialogue is of Anil.
No, of Hari Singh.
Hari Singh is saying, I gave him the most appealing smile. I want to work for you.
I want
This
to work for you. That means Hari Singh is there. I want to work for Anil.
Anil, yes.
But Anil said that, but I can't pay you.
Yes. Anil is the employer. Hari Singh is the name of that guy who was lying and flattering.
Huh.
So Hari Singh told Anil that I want to work for you, but Anil said that I can't pay you.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Palak, start reading second page, loud reading.
I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, "Can you feed me? Can you cook?" "I can cook." I lied again. "If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you." He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to stray dogs and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. Later, he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind, I did teach me to cook." He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated person, there would be no limits to what I can do achieve. I was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind.
Sorry, what did you understand from this page? Start from the beginning.
Then that Anil thought for over a minute, and he said that, I misjudged my man, and he said that basically he asked, "Can you feed me?" So he said, "Can you cook also?" So again, that Hari Singh lied again, and he said that, yes, I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. And then Anil said that, "Okay, then I can feed you if you can cook." So Anil took him to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told him that you can sleep on the balcony, but the meal that he cooked that night must be so terrible that Anil gave it to a street dog. That means of course he lied, so that is why he is not able to cook properly. He doesn't know how to cook. So that is why. So Anil gave that food to the street dog and told him to be off. He said that just chale jaye yahan se. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. Then Hari Singh again hung around, means just stand there, and he gave his most appealing smile to that guy Anil, and he couldn't help laughing, and he was buttered. So after that, later he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind." Now that person Anil motivated him, and he said that he can teach him. So that Anil started teaching Hari Singh, and he also taught him how to write his name, and said that he would soon teach him how to write the whole sentences and add numbers. Basically, he could educate him. So I was grateful. So that Hari Singh was very grateful, and he knew that once I can read, write, or become a good educated man, there is no limit. So where I cannot go, or where something which I could not achieve. And he said that he was quite pleasant working with Anil, and he made tea in the morning, and then would take some time by the days of supplies and all that, like the chores, the work of the houses and all that, using making a profit of about a rupee a day, and he could buy the appliances, and he could earn money, like basically around rupee a day. And he think that he knew I had a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind.
Palak, how did he convince Anil to employ him?
He convinced Anil to employ him by, like, he was basically manipulating him ki, I can make a so Anil asked, and if you can cook for me, then I can feed you. So he was like, yes, I can cook, but he was in reality not able to cook well. So he was like, if you can cook, then I can feed you. So he took him to his house, and then he told him to prepare some food for him, but that food was not at all good. But still, Anil was a good person, and he motivated him that he will teach him how to read and write and how to solve and add numbers. And he was like, then if I could be an educated person, I can do whatever I can achieve, and there is no limits to do that. But now the Hari Singh was also very happy working with Anil, as he had a fixed routine, and he was making usually he was getting a profit. He was earning a rupee per day, but Anil knew that he's making some money, but still he helped him, and he never stopped him from doing anything.
Okay, great. Now,
Ma'am,
So
how
he
he earns money? Like that person only gave him the money, or like ऐसे वो कमा लेता है?
sorry?
How that person earns money? He said that I can make a profit of about rupee a day.
कल को डे की सप्लाई के लिए जाता है ना, तो वहां से वो ले लेता होगा.
Just a minute. You can't see my screen now? Paripala, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pari, what were you asking?
Ma'am, how that person makes money, a rupee a day, basically.
Who?
Hari Singh.
He just made up a story again.
But then it is written that then would take my time buying the day's supplies.
Wait, see, can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. You have to notice these things. He was lying constantly, consecutively. Consecutive मतलब एक के बाद एक झूठ पे झूठ बोला जा रहा था. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Okay? He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me. So he took him to his rooms, a small room. I could sleep on the balcony. He said कि आप balcony में रह सकते हो. You can sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. उसने देखा कि भाई जो मैंने cook करके दिया, उसने वो dog को दे दिया. So this whole is told by Hari Singh. Okay? And told me to be off, but I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. He was always smiling just to, flatter him, and he couldn't help laughing. Later, he patted me. Patted मतलब ऐसे शाबाशी देना. पीछे करते ना teachers, like patted me. Keep writing the word meanings side by side, please. Don't miss any word. Couldn't sleep in the, but the meal I cooked, okay, this we have done. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he'd teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to a number. So you have to look at the qualities of Anil since day one. First, he did not, judge him that no, what type of man he is or something. When Hari Singh approached Anil, Anil was well mannered. He talked to him politely. Also, even after he told that he couldn't, give him money, Hari Singh was constantly after him. Then he again took him to his balcony. So this was his kindness, his kind-heartedness. Okay, he was kind, so he still took Hari Singh to his balcony, and he did not like the food also. So this made clear that he did not want to cook. He did not like cooking. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसको आती नहीं थी कुकिंग, हरी सिंह को कुछ आता नहीं था. बट अनिल स्टिल डिड नॉट थ्रो हिम ऑफ. उसने उसको निकाला नहीं तब भी. यू हैव टू नोटिस दीज डिटेल्स. ये सब लिखा नहीं है बुक में, इट इज नॉट रिटन. दिस यू हैव टू जज कि उसको खाना बनाना नहीं आता था. ही हैड टू फीड दैट फूड टू डॉग, बट स्टिल ही डिड नॉट आस्क हरी सिंह टू लीव. ठीक है, सो दिस शोज हिज काइंडनेस. नाउ ही टीच मी टू कुक. This paragraph is very important. उसने क्या क्या help करी हरी सिंह की. This whole chapter is about kindness of Anil. Whole chapter. And last में तो जो करेगा, it will touch your heart also that okay, इतना भी अच्छा कोई होता है. Okay. So, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit for. See, he was a mastermind. उसको लगता था कि यार चल ठीक है, अनिल मुझे पढ़ा भी देगा, वो मुझे अपना नाम भी लिखना है, and I will be educated. और वो कह रहे कि एक बारी बस मैं पढ़ा लिखा हो जाऊं, then I can do wonders. मतलब मैं बहुत कुछ अचीव कर लूंगा. Who said this?
Hari Singh.
Hari Singh. Pari, is there any doubt?
No.
Pakka, are you clear with the characters?
Yes.
It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. Supplies मतलब जो घर का सामान लाते हैं.
Groceries.
Maids को भेजते हैं ना, go get this, get that way. I was grateful. Grateful spelling, please notice, क्योंकि maximum people write G-R-E-A-T. Great and full. Great is G-R-A-T-E, not G-R-E-A-T. ठीक है? I knew that once I could write this we have done. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day supplies, usually making a profit about ₹1. इसका मतलब ये हुआ परी, जैसे हमने मेड को 10 रुपए दिए कि go get a packet of chips and she saves ₹1. So most of the house help, what they do is they keep change with themselves. तो वो कह रहे इस तरह से मेरे थोड़ा बहुत पैसे भी बन जाते थे. That I used to go and get some supplies. मैं घर का सामान लाता तो उसमें पैसे बचते थे and some I used to keep for myself. Now is it clear?
Okay.
I think he knew I made a little money. वो कह रहे कि मुझे पता था, मुझे लगता था कि अनिल को पता है मेरी इस हरकत के बारे में, बिकॉज मैं उसको पैसे पूरे नहीं देता था. ठीक है. एंड कभी कभी इन सबको क्या लगता है, दे थिंक दैट people will not notice, but you never know who is noticing. Profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money, but he did not seem to mind. वो कह रहा, but ना मुझे लगता है कि उसको ना फर्क नहीं पड़ा तभी. So I kept on doing it. Pari, now it's your turn. Quickly, Anil made and Palak will explain. Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means by hook or crook. मतलब ऐसे नहीं तो ऐसे, किसी ना किसी तरीके से.
Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, let the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, acquired a way to make a living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I couldn't come and go. I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be a robber. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he is being robbed, and that's take all the pleasure out of the work. Well, it's time. I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice. And if I don't take the money, he will only feast it to his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and I fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 1:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine was mostly scarce. My hand slipped under the mattress, searching for notes. Even I found them. I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his neck towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. When I was
What is the meaning of startled?
घबरा गया.
Shocked.
Shocked.
Okay, he would borrow 1 week, lend the next week. He kept worrying about the next week, but as soon as it arrived, he would go and celebrate. अनिल की ना एक हैबिट थी कि अनिल बहुत रेगुलर पैसे नहीं कमाता था. He used to just earn in bits and pieces, but like sometimes he's earning a lot, sometimes he's not. So this was his pattern. He kept worrying about this next check, his next check. But वो कह रहे जब भी उसमें पैसा आते थे ना, he used to go out and he used to
Party.
celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines. उसको लगता था कि शायद ये magazines के लिए काम करते हैं, तो बड़े मतलब जब उसने काम करा तब पैसे आ गए, वरना नहीं आए. And it was a queer way of making a living. Queer means strange. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to publisher. Bundle of notes मतलब एक बारी वो बहुत सारी payment लेके आया, and Hari Singh noticed everything. Whoever is in our home, maids, house helps, they know everything what is going on. आप क्या ला रहे हो, क्या रख रहे हो, everything. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. उसने कहा कि मैंने उसको पैसे रखते हुए देखा. And then what happened, Palak? Can you explain me? Tuck the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil. Yes. Quickly tell me, Palak.
So I had been working for Anil for almost 1 month apart from cheating. So he never cheated Anil apart from cheating on a shopping basis, like on the grocery basis. He had never done nothing wrong in a line of his work. So he had a very great opportunity to do so, but Anil had never Anil had given him a key of the door. So if he wished to enter the door, he could come, and if he wished to leave, he can leave also. And he was the most trusting person he has ever met.
Basically, what he's saying that Anil was a very kind person. He never doubted Hari Singh. So, कभी-कभी होते ना, when we know someone's weakness, we try to hit them there only. अब मुझे किसी की weakness पता है, हो सकता है मैं उसी चीज का फायदा उठाऊं. आपको कहीं को लगेगा कि ठीक है काम में मैम तो कुछ नहीं कहती, इनकी क्लास लेट ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, वो मेरी वीकनेस हो गई. जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, रिलेटेबल एग्जांपल, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि ठीक है चलो डांट लेगी, 2 मिनट डांट लेगी, बट देन शी विल बी फाइन. ऐसा होता है, बट यू नो दैट देयर इज अ स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर हु विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू डू दैट एट ऑल. सो आप चाहे कहीं पे भी होगे, आपको पता होगा कि भाई हाँ हमें पहुंचना आज क्लास में, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी एन इशू. सो दिस इज द सेम थिंग दैट they are telling. उसको पता चल गया था कि अनिल मुझे कुछ नहीं कहेगा, so he was kind of taking advantage of him. उसने पैसे रखते हुए देखा, and then one day what he did, he tried to steal it. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed.
ऊपर वाला पैरा.
Oh, that is same that I have robbed वाला ये था ना. It was difficult to rob a greedy man. It's simple to rob. तो उसने क्या कहा कि अनिल was not greedy. Anil was a very kind man. इसीलिए उसको ना धक-धक हो रही थी कि यार I can't rob him. वो कह रहे कि it is easy to rob a greedy man. This line is also very important. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि कोई गंदा इंसान हो ना, कोई लालची इंसान हो, उससे चोरी करने में ना डर नहीं लगता कि भाई ठीक है तो इंसान ही बेकार है. बट अगर आप किसी अच्छे इंसान के साथ बुरा कर रहे हो तो खुद को ही बुरा लगता है. Right? Well, it's time. I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice. But वो कह रहा है कि ठीक है यार मेरे को भी अपना काम करने. he doesn't even pay me, और उसने ना अपने आप को दिलासा दिया कि यार मुझे पैसे भी नहीं देते तो इट्स ओके, मैं पैसे ले लेता हूँ इसके. Anil was asleep. So now one day Anil was sleeping and he had his train. So he took the money. He went to the station. His train was at 10:30 to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये तो पिटा पिटाया था. He used to rob and he had a very bad background. तो उसका तो face बिल्कुल ही, it was full of scars. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. So basically, he robbed Anil that night and he went to the station. Okay, when I was on the road, I began to run notes at my waist on my pajama string on a pajama. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like a old rich Arab for a week or two. वो कह रहा है कि भाई मेरा एक, मैं अरब की तरह ना एक रिच जिंदगी जी सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इतने पैसे उसमें से चुरा लिए थे. He robbed him of 600 rupees in 50s. Okay, so that's just the quantity that he's telling, which is not of importance here. Now this is the crux. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. वो कह रहा मैंने कभी खरीदी नहीं, मैं तो चोर था. I used to rob and I used to do robbery only. But dash straight to the platform. वो कह रहा dash मतलब मैं बस फटाफट भाग जाता था प्लेटफॉर्म पे बिना टिकट के. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed and I should leave. I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. Very important. वो कह रहे ट्रेन मेरे सामने थी, अभी तक स्पीड अप नहीं हुई थी. Train was still moving at a very low speed, so it was very easy for me to get into any of the carriage. कह रहा मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था, मेरे सामने था carriage, मेरे पास टिकट भी नहीं थी. I did not need ticket, and it was very easy for me to get into the carriage. But something inside Hari Singh pricked. He was not feeling good about, taking the money and leaving. So, for some reason, I can't explain. The reason was his conscience pricked him. Pricked मतलब उसको अंदर से धक्का सा दिया कि भाई नहीं तू गलत कर रहे. एक होता है ना हमारी conscious हमें allow नहीं करते यार. Conscious doesn't allow us to do something bad. Okay, so this is the conscious that he's talking about. And I lost the chance to get away. और वो कह रहा है कि I did not get on the train. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the road and platform, and then I get to spend at the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. उसको लगता था कि यार दोस्त ना मजाक वराज उड़ाते हैं ज्यादा, and they are not going to be of any help. Palak, please explain me. No, Pari, please explain me in the next paragraph. Like start reading from the train had to still pick up until here, bazaar.
When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the desert platform. I had no idea where I have to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more about trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by standing at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. That was the Anil. Leaving that station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. पहले किसके आगे भी करना है क्या?
नहीं, not आगे. I was telling them their work.
Okay.
Yes, so this I think is very easy, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. तो कह रहा कि भाई मैं एक ही बंदे पे विश्वास कर सकता था, and I had to go back to Anil. I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. Again, he's saying that मैंने ना अनिल का face पढ़ लिया था. I knew that man was a real gem. Okay? वो कह रहा मैंने इतनी चोरियां करी हैं, इतने लोगों के फेसेस पढ़े, इतने लोगों के रिएक्शंस देखे, इतना तो पता चल ही जाता है ना. Of course, this is very normal. You also meet a lot of people at a site at once only. You can, judge whether that person is, cunning or sweet or very sweet or trying to act sweet. इतना समझ आ जाता है सबको, ठीक है? So, but I knew that man showed anger. The poor man showed, no, I made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear. The rich man showed anger. The poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness. वो कह रहे, मैं अनिल को जानता था, वो सिर्फ sad होता अगर उसे पता चलता कि उसके पास से चोरी हुई है. Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Very, very important line. मतलब this is coming from thief. एक चोर ये बातें कर रहे. So this shows that there was kindness in the thief also. This is the another lesson that the author is trying to convey. कि हर इंसान बुरा नहीं होता, कभी-कभी circumstances बुरे होते हैं. There are circumstances, but there is always a scope for improvement. There are people who do transform. चैप्टर का क्रक्स ये है कि योर गुडनेस कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म इवन अ थीफ और इवन एन इविल पर्सन. मतलब एक बुरे इंसान को भी बदला जा सकता है अच्छाई से. दिस इज द क्रक्स ऑफ द चैप्टर. गेटिंग इट? बिकॉज बुरे इंसान को एक ना एक बार बुरा लग जाएगा कि यार सामने वाला तो इतना अच्छा है, मैं कैसे उसके साथ बुरा करूं. हर एक को पता होता है कि मैं चोरी कर रहा हूं तो मैं बुरा काम कर रहा हूं, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट द चैप्टर इज अबाउट. ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट, लॉस ऑफ ट्रस्ट. ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. ब्रीच मीन्स धोखा देना.
BREACH.
हाँ. Tell me, you will tell me so that you will remember. Search it and tell me ताकि आपको याद रहेगा कि ब्रीच किस स्पेलिंग क्या होता
BIRCH.
है. ब्रीच, ब्रीच.
BREACH.
Now what happens? He goes back. Okay. Now it started raining also. Okay. तो वो कह रहा है कि ना मुझे पता था अनिल को ना सिर्फ सैडनेस होगी उसके फेस पे, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. बट ना वो दुख किस बात का होगा? पैसे से नहीं दुख होगा उसको. That he lost his money. He will be sad that someone robbed him of trust. I found myself in the Maidan and sat on a bench. The night was chilly. It was early November. And a little drizzle added to my discomfort. मतलब मैं already परेशान था पर थोड़ी बारिश होने लग गई, मैं और परेशान हो गया. Soon it was raining quietly, heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. So basically he was all wet. So notes must have been also wet. So he was drenched. पूरा गीला हो गया था वो. Very quickly start reading. I went to the bazaar quickly.
It was raining. My skin and cold wind below. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp over the drain. Again, wet ho gaya pure. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write wholesome anymore. I have forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simply matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. Simple to be caught. But to be a real man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. For this, it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. In clouds with moonlight, Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt this breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50-rupee note between his fingers. My hand sang. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. No, now you will be paid regularly. My spirit was notes, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will be starting writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself, without any effort.
This time, the smile was not of flattery. This was actually a genuine smile. Now, the chapter is very easy. Towards the end, what do we see? That he went back to the home. And what did he notice about himself? Whole sentences. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. He could write whole sentences. Is this line clear? I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. What does this mean?
If I can be educated person, I can become more rich and could be able to earn on my own rather than depending on someone else.
He's saying that once I, learn to write full sentences, I would surpass everything. I could make a lot of money. So I just forgot these things which will brighten up my future. I literally forgot about them. Why? Because I was busy focusing on theft. चोरी पे फोकस कर रहा था वो. उसने सोचा ही नहीं कि भाई मैं थोड़ा सा बस पढ़ लिख लूं और मैं कितना ज्यादा कमा पाऊंगा. राइट? I told myself if only to learn the reading. I hurried back to the room and then he hurried back, and what did he see? That Anil was holding a 50 rupee note between his hands, and he thought that okay, I think he was because the notes were damp.
नोट ही उसके मैट्रेस के नीचे रख दिए थे.
Yeah, and उसको ना पता चल गया था, but he did not say anything.
Throw up anything.
Yeah.
So he just said that कि मेरे नोट भी गीले हो गए थे कल की बारिश से.
हाँ, मतलब he did not say anything, but he knew that Hari Singh took notes and he knew about the theft. But he was a good man. So what did he do? He paid him some money. He said that, मैंने कल थोड़े से पैसे कमाए थे. I made some money yesterday, Anil said. And I want to give you some part of that money. And now, from now on, you will be paid regularly. Because आपने देखा था, earlier his income was not regular. So once he started earning, he said that, now I will also pay you regularly. तो उसकी problem solve ही हो गई. पैसे तो मिलेंगे आप उससे. Right? And today we start writing sentences. See? तो इससे अच्छा क्या मिलता उसे? He got such a good man. See, last paragraph, he knew matlab, Anil knew about the theft. This is a very important line. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. This is the greatness of this man. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. मतलब उसने कहा कि यार मैंने इतना बुरा करा, and this man is still, giving me everything. So this is the lesson that we get from this chapter, that your kindness, your goodness can transform evil people also, or bad people also. And second thing that we have learned here is, if someone is doing wrong to you, instead of, हमारा first thought क्या होता है कि इसने मेरे से बुरा करना, मैं भी इसका बुरा करूंगी. ये होता है हमारा first thought. Right or wrong? ऐसे ही होता है ना. First thought तो यही होता है ना कि भाई आज इसने मेरी notebook छीन ली, कल मैं ले लूंगी. आज इसने मेरे साथ दे रहा, कल मैं भी कर लूंगी. But there will be very few people who will try to rectify it. So instead of taking revenge, what did he do? He transformed a thief into a real man. So this is the lesson that we get from this chapter, that you have to be good. Even if you see something bad in a person, you should know how to deal with it. He dealt with it so nicely. मतलब आपको देखो, अगर हो सकता था अनिल उसको भगा दे कि भाई तुमको चोरी करिए, भाग जाए, ऐसे निकाल सकता था. He could have, told him to go away, but he did not do these things. He took very simple steps and he rectified his mistakes. Okay, and this kindness, this goodness actually transformed a thief, that was Hari Singh, into a good man. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So this chapter is over.